Thutha wa guthimana hinya githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana, riu miaho ya kiuteti ya Jubilee na NASA ni eruhitie ringi mbitika ciao cia kiuteti thutha wa ambunge aria macemanitie mwena wa Mombatha kuhingicana ciegi uria mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge yagirirwo ni kugarurwo. Atongoria a ngwataniro ya NASA moigite kuri na njama ya Jubilee kuhuthira IEBC yoru niguo iheo icigo nyingi cia ubunge. Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Matungu Justus Murunga. Abunge aya matetirithitie IEBC no muhaka ikwo ugaruruku mbere ya igarurite mihaka niguo ikorwo na uigiririku.
Once you are beaten, twice you are shy. And you remember what happened during the elections. It's important that Electoral Commission, first of all, should be reviewed.
No ritana riri ria NASA ni riageirwo kiene ni abunge a Jubilee aria matetirithitie IEBC nio ina hinya wa kiwatho wa gucenjia mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge itekuingiririo uteti. Mubunge wa Kimilili Didmas Barasa oigite NASA yagereirwo ni kuhe IEBC kamweke ga kuruta wira wayo itekuingirirwo ni uteti.
Talking about this matter in funerals, talking this matter in conferences is not going to take this country forward. Parliament must take its rightful position.
Mwikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni oigite ona gutuika ateti mari na kihoto gia kuruta mawoni mao megie uria mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge igucorwo ringi. Kamiti yake ni ithagathagite kuruta wira wayo uria hetwo ni gatiba.
So we deal with elections and boundaries. That is our mandate. Article 89 of the Constitution provides for boundary review by the Commission. So it is a job which must be done.
Ihinda-ini riu gikundi kimwe gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu kia Haki Africa kuma gicua-ini nikiandikire IEBC gikienda inyihanyihie icigo cia ubunge kuma 290 nginyagia 120 na kaunti kuma 47 nginyagia 10 ririta ikinya ria kunyihanyihia mahuthiro.
We call on the IEBC and Kenyans at large to reduce the number of constituencies and counties in the country. Kenya should have a maximum of only 10 counties, with each county having 12 members of parliament.
Gucorwo ringi kwa mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge kwirigirirwo gutafanio thutha wa Akenya gutarwo mweri wa kenda mwaka turorete. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.